Wildlife of Sikkim, a tiny state tucked into the towering eastern Himalayas, yet one of the richest treasure houses of life on our planet. Here, ancient mountains meet deep valleys, and forests climbing thousands of meters create some of the most diverse ecosystems in India. Today, we explore the wild heart of Sikkim, its protected areas, and the animals that call this mountain kingdom home. The land of sacred mountains Sikkim lies within the Himalayan biodiversity hotspot. In just a few kilometers, the land rises from subtropical forests to icy alpine deserts. This dramatic change in altitude creates habitats for a stunning range of species, from delicate orchids and bamboo forests to glaciers where only the hardiest animals survive. Kangchenjunga National Park. At the center of Sikkim's wilderness lies Kangchenjunga National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This massive protected area surrounds the mighty peak of Kangchenjunga, a mountain sacred to the people of Sikkim. Its forests, cliffs, rivers, and meadows form one of the last strongholds of Himalayan wildlife. Here, elusive predators roam the high ridges: the snow leopard, the Himalayan wolf, and the clouded leopard. On the slopes below, herds of Himalayan tahr, bharal, or blue sheep, and goral navigate cliffs with impossible ease. Shy musk deer hide in the shadows, while flocks of pheasants wander through rhododendron forests. This is one of the few places on Earth where the wild spirit of the Himalayas still feels untouched. Sanctuaries of Sikkim. Beyond the national park, Sikkim is dotted with sanctuaries that protect its fragile ecosystems. Mainam Wildlife Sanctuary, a ridge lined with ancient forests and medicinal plants, shelters red pandas, civets, goral, and marbled cats. Its skies echo with the calls of the blood pheasant, the state bird of Sikkim, and the black eagle soaring above Kyongnosla Alpine Sanctuary, near the road to Nathula, is home to pristine alpine vegetation, rhododendrons, firs, junipers, along with musk deer, Himalayan black bears, and brilliant high-altitude bird life. Far to the north, the Shingba Rhododendron Sanctuary bursts into color each spring, with dozens of rhododendron species and rare birds like the wood snipe. And in the west, Varsi Rhododendron Sanctuary forms a vibrant carpet of red and pink blooms, providing habitat for red pandas, martens, langurs, and a spectacular variety of birds. Every sanctuary in Sikkim plays its role in protecting a different layer of the Himalayas' living tapestry. The animals of Sikkim, but among all this wildlife, one creature stands as the symbol of Sikkim: the red panda. The red panda, the state animal, is a gentle, tree-dwelling, bamboo-loving marvel. With its fiery fur and masked face, it looks like a creature from a forest tale. But this beloved species is endangered. Habitat loss, shrinking bamboo forests, and climate change threaten its survival. Projects across Sikkim work tirelessly to protect it, but its future still depends on preserving the mountain forests it calls home. Predators of the peaks high above the tree line, the snow leopard moves silently through the rocks. Rare, powerful, and beautifully adapted to the cold, it rules the alpine world. Alongside it lives the Himalayan wolf, one of the most ancient wolf lineages on Earth, and the elusive clouded leopard with its mist-like coat patterns. These predators are symbols of a healthy mountain ecosystem, and their presence shows that Sikkim's highlands remain wild. Mountain herders and climbers, ungulates, hoofed mountain animals, shape the ecology of Sikkim's slopes. The Himalayan tahr with its thick coat, the blue sheep with its perfect camouflage, and the goral and serow moving like shadows across cliffs all play crucial roles in the food chain. In the upper Himalayas, yak herds roam, not wild but deeply tied to Sikkim's culture and survival in extreme altitudes. The quiet ones. Sikkim is also home to small yet remarkable creatures: pikas chirping among rocks, flying squirrels gliding between trees, pangolins hidden beneath leaf litter, and civets and martens patrolling the forest floor. And in the treetops and skies, more than 550 species of birds fill the mountains with color. From the fiery orange fire-tailed Mizornis to the secretive rusty-bellied short-wing challenges and conservation. But this paradise is fragile. Roads, expanding settlements, unregulated tourism, and changing climate patterns all threaten Sikkim's wildlife. Many species survive only because of the protected areas that shield them and the communities that respect these lands. Local traditions see the mountains as sacred, and this cultural connection is one of Sikkim's strongest forces for conservation. Forest guards, researchers, villagers, and conservationists work together, using camera traps, habitat restoration, and responsible ecotourism to protect the future of these species.